Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimula and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will tell you how to use the brush and brush sizes, how to know the brush and brush sizes. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now this is a brush and these are the sizes of the brush. You can increase it and how much hardness you want to increase, either 35, 54, how much hard brush you want. You can change the sizes of the brush, or you can do it. This I have shown you the manually. I will show you shortcut key. When you open the bracket key, it makes the brush size smaller. When you close the bracket key, it makes the size of the brush bigger. Now when I paint, as I have selected the black color, it will paint the black color. Because I have selected the foreground color, I have selected the black color. When I change the color, let me Ctrl Z press it. When I press it from here, so you can select foreground color, and from here you can select a background color. Down it is background color, in white it is background color, and in black it is foreground color. Now when I selected purple color or any kind of blue color, any kind of purple color, when I paint, it makes that kind of color into the image or into the any kind of texture or any kind of the PNG picture what you want. That was a quick tip. I'll be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That is Wasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.